Welcome to the Inclusive Fintech Forum 2025, where we are shaping the future of fintech today.
We have an inspirational speaker who'll tell us just why it's so important. Now, she started Zambia's trailblazing microfinance fintech platform that's really transformed access to financial services to the marginalized, to SMEs, as you heard there in that video. She was also voted Woman CEO of the Year and Supernova Champion. Please welcome Evelyn Kaingu of Lupiya. Evelyn.
My name is Evelyn Kaingu, and I'm the co-founder and CEO of Lupiya, an AI-powered Pan-African neobank that is providing access to finance for small businesses and individuals. When my co-founder and I started Lupiya in 2016, we had just come out of a failed business simply because we could not access a loan because we did not have collateral. We went to the informal market. Those interest rates were too exorbitant for us to turn a profit. It became very apparent to us that so many small businesses in Africa were facing the same problem. So we've realized that 65% of the adult population is still exclusive from formal financial services. And out of that demographic, 70% of it is women. It still takes up to 3 weeks for a small business to access a loan. And because majority of these transactions happen in cash, it is still very difficult to credit score a small business. So with just $500, my co-founder and I set out on this bold ambition to build the next AI-powered bank for small businesses in Africa, allowing them to have access to loans, investments, and payment opportunities. We started by doing this by lending to small community groups of women. This enabled us to convince our family and friends to provide us with a $50,000 loan to continue with this new appetite that Lupiya had now built traction for, while we built the systems and the credit scoring models. Fast track 4 years later, we finally successfully raised $1 million from a venture capitalist to help us scale our operations in Zambia. Thank you. So just the trajectory that Lupiya needed to continue its operations to support small business farmers. So much that it caught the attention of the Vice President of the United States of America at the time, Kamala Harris, who we hosted on a smart climate farm that we were supporting with our works. A very defining moment for Lupiya and the boost we needed for our trajectory to continue growing our business. We raised additional funding that was supposed to now support us to help us with our Pan-African strategy to help us scale Lupiya to Southern and East Africa. And today, I am happy to announce that we have just expanded to Tanzania. We have raised over $15 million in investments today and have processed over $20 million in loans for small SMEs. We are also excited. We are also excited that we have saved over 120,000 customers to date, and out of that demographic, it is women. So today I would like to close with the optimism of building the next Pan-African bank for small businesses and bringing Lupiya to Rwanda. We will continue. So we will continue with the important work of scaling finance to women and to start helping them improve their lives. We remain optimistic about supporting women across Africa to build sustainable and resilient businesses. And so Lupiya is just a model of what we can do across Africa to start to solve our problems. And as we band together as ecosystems, entrepreneurs, and stakeholders, I remain very excited about the optimism to continue to scale finance to small businesses and to women. Thank you, Your Excellency. Thank you, everyone.
Thank you, Evelyn. Truly inspirational to hear how Lupiya is transforming people's lives.